Hello, welcome. Question number 3, Wassce 2023 Federal Mathematics, the elective maths question, section B. So if the root of q minus 3 plus the root of q plus 2 is equals to 5, you have to find the value of q. Alright, in this, we can see that the best way to solve this is to eliminate the square root by squaring it. Now, if you square both sides, you are going to put the whole of the left-hand side in a bracket and square it. And multiplying the two roots will become problematic. So we send one of them to move to the other side so that when you square, cancellation can be easy. So the root of q minus 3, q plus 2 equals to 5. We are sending this to the other side, meaning you'll be having root 9 q minus 3 will be equals to the 5 minus the root of q plus 2. So now the roots are all on the two sides of the equal sign. So now if you square both sides, it's going to have the root of q minus 3 all squared, 5 minus root q plus 2 all squared, squaring both sides. So now you know that the square will cancel the square root, so you'll be left with only q minus 3 equals to, this is in the form a minus b all squared. And how do we expand that? We square the first term twice their product, meaning the product of this will be negative AB, twice of that. Then you square the last one. That's what we do. So you square the first one, meaning 5 squared. In this case, will give us 25 minus the product of the 2 will be negative 5 root of this. Twice of that become negative 5 times 2. So negative 10, the root of q plus 2. Then we square the last term. You square the bracket, the square root will cancel, leaving minus. Don't forget, this is the one we are squaring. So if you square all of this, it becomes a positive q plus 2. I believe you know why this becomes positive. Look at it there. The negative becomes positive. If you square it, you get a positive value. And that is what we have there. We are still having the root. So we can maintain the root, then deal with all other terms. We can send all these things to come to the left, including the 25. So I'll be having the q, which is already here. This q is coming as minus q. Then we already have minus 3. 25 is coming to become negative. Then the positive 2 also comes to become negative 2. All will be equals to, all these are gone. So you're having negative 10, the root of q plus 2. That's what we are left with. So what do? We can deal with the left hand side. Q minus q will be 0. This is going to be negative 28, negative 30. So you have your negative 30 equals to negative 10, the root of 9, a q plus what? 2. We can see the coefficient here is negative. We can divide both sides by that negative 10. So negative 30, negative 10, negative 10, negative 10, the root of q plus 2. I believe this will cancel. We'll be having only 3 equals to the root of q plus 2. We are looking for the q, which is still under the root. So we square both sides again. If you square both sides, you'll be having 3 squared equals to the root of q plus 2 all squared. Don't forget, all of them are squared, so the square can cancel the square root, leaving 9 equals to q plus 2. I believe this will be subtracted from both sides to give us 9 minus 2 equals to Q. So this means that Q will be equals to 7. Meaning the value of Q in this expression is going to be 7. You put 7 here, you get 4. Put 7 here, you get 9. So root 9 is 3. This is going to be root 4. This is going to be 4 if you subtract. So root 4 will be 2 plus root 9 going to be 3. 3 plus 2 will give us what? The 5 we are having. Alright, thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.